Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video has to deal with Wing Chun versus Kali. This is a request for a video, so I hope you enjoy it. But before we get to it, I need you to go to the boxes and click like and subscribe. And please, if you can, click the bell to always. This will help keep supporting our channel. Once again, thank you for your continued support and have a great day.
So, butterfly swords, it's supposed to be versus Kali swords. I apologize, guys. I don't have two Chris's, so we're going to just supplement the sticks. But again, the techniques aren't going to change. So we're going to line up, and Keith's going to be in a closed Kali guard. And we're going to line up. We're going to line up here from a cross position. He's against a double strike to the head. So he's going to come through. I'm going to take a release step here and gone. He's going to come with the second strike to the head. I'm going to use a tan. I'm going to come down here and use a jarm right to his hand, which ideally would make this drop. We're going to come here, jarm and check, and then come through right to the neck. So again, coming through, it's going to be a gan, into a tan, a jarm at the wrist, and a cheat down to the throat. One more time. Garn, tan, jarm, and strike.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.